Before we wrap up, there is one more feature that we may want to consider when we are thinking about our applications, which is the ability to load parts of it as we use them only, right? So, for instance, in this app, we have the ability to exit, and when we do, we go to our amazing screensaver. Now, it might be the case that the user never goes there, right? So you probably want to minimize the amount of times that that code that is not all that used actually gets called. So for that, we can make a component lazy. So what does that even mean, right? Well, in here we would do something like importing suspense from React. That's the first bit. Suspense needs a fallback, right? Something that runs when it's not doing anything. So in this case, I'm going to throw in a div that says loading. Our app didn't change, nothing happened, or so it seems. But now it's ready to use suspense, right? And React.lazy is already available, in from before. So we can also probably use it like this if we want to, instead of having to, deconstruct the object. And then we can go into the place where we use that, that exit thing, which is our screensaver type thing, right? And let's see what that is. There we go, screensaver, right? So now we could be exporting that, we could be exporting our screensaver like that, or we could be using the React.lazy method to create a code splitting on the fly at this level. And then let's see what happens with the network, right? So as we go in and enter now, the exit, we are actually pulling a chunk of our app. Now in this case, this is very small, right? We are only like getting rid of this, these bytes, but everything counts because all that stuff is not pulled, when we start working on it. And we can do it with any component that we have on our application. And it would mean that React does that code splitting automatically for us at that point when we introduce, lazy like that.